Hey guys, it's Jessie. I would like to show you my app Inspiro today. I named my app Inspiro because Inspiro in Spanish can mean both to inspire and to breathe. And I thought that was perfect for coming up with an app that would really help inspire you throughout the day. So the concept behind my app is to be able to get content for basic inspiration purposes. So let me show you how this works. So I seeded into my Inspiro, and I'm going to go ahead and run my program. It tells me, welcome to Inspiro, your source for daily inspiration. Please select 1 for videos, 2 for articles, and 3 for quotes. You can exit at any time by entering exit. How would you like to be inspired today? So let's say I would like to see some videos. So I'm going to say 1. It'll list out some of these videos that I got. I scraped these from TED Talks because I am a huge fan of TED Talks. So the very first one says, future tech will give you the benefits of city life anywhere. So let's say I'm really interested in that one. It says for more details, choose the video number. I will say 1. And then it'll tell me future tech will give you the benefits of city life anywhere. Julio Gil, September 2017. Inspiring, informative, and the link. Would you like more inspiration? And I can say yes or no. I'm not quite there yet in terms of all the inspiration I want, so I'm going to say yes. Then again, it'll bring me back to the main menu. Let's say I would like to see some articles. So I'll say 2. And then it lists some articles here. So let's say I want to be inspired by number 2, how writing your own eulogy can help you follow your heart. So number 2. And it'll list all the information and details on the second article. It also gives me that link here so I can follow it and read the entire article. And let's take a look at our quotes. So let's say I want some quotes today. It'll list some quotes. Let's say I will take... Fine, let's say 20. For certain situations. And then it'll give me the quote, who said it, and the link here so I can go through all the quotes myself. And let's say I'm all done. I'm inspired. So I say no thank you. And I'll say a little goodbye message which says thanks for joining us for some inspiration. We hope you now feel ready to take on the world. So to kind of explain the background here, I have the CLI, which is the main interaction here that this user uses. So it'll go through the welcoming, it will put the menu, which we'll go through in a second, and then also once they're done with that, it'll go through the goodbye. So the menu, as you could tell from down here, asks them to select the type of content they like. It tells them they can exit any time, and then asks them to put some input in. From there, if they choose the first option, it'll go to my scraper class, which I don't have up here. In here, it'll scrape the video page, which, as I was telling you guys, it comes from TED Talks. So I open that up, I collect all that information, and then I create a new video class over here. This scrapes that website for each of those components. And then in the CLI, I kind of describe in some methods down below the listing versus details. So for the listing, I just put an index +1, video, the title, and the speaker. And then for more details, I give them the title, the speaker, date, category, URL, basically everything to give them a quick summary of what each video is. And then we go back up here to where my CLI is for that. So this kind of explains how this goes through it. I'll give them more details if they want more details. For yes or no, it'll either take them back to the menu or say goodbye. And then if they just want to say exit anytime, it still can do that. And if they, for some reason, make a mistake or type the wrong thing in, it will tell them, I'm not sure what you'd like. And then it'll ask them to go back to the main menu and ask them for all that information again, to repeat it. Same thing for the articles and the quotes. It'll go through and ask them, as you saw, if they want more details. It goes to the scraper. The article page I chose from Goalcast. Goalcast has some really, really great content. So I took some of their articles and made new article classes from it. Same thing. Create all of that. And the same goes for the quotes. For the quotes, I actually took this wiseoldsayings.com. It just seemed really cute and funny and really liked it, so that is how I chose that. Same thing for the quote class. And then, as you can tell, my method's down here. There's a goodbye, which tells them just hope you feel ready to take on the world. And all my listing and details. So that's just a quick little intro to my CLI app. I really like Inspiro because I absolutely love inspirational content, and I find myself looking at it almost every day. So I really love using this because it will pull from some of my very favorite sources all in one platform. So thank you for joining me today. I hope you really liked Inspiro, and I'm hoping you feel inspired. Alright, thanks guys.